Hi, my name is Kevin Wells, Competition Director of Formula Drift, and we're here in Salt Lake City for round 7 of the Pro Championship. This is a different event because it actually has a lot of elevation, so that hurts the horsepower, and we also have a new course layout, basically custom outer zone that's using a runoff area. So that's making it a little bit difficult for the drivers to see, but sets them up better for the next 2 outer zones. A little more?
Do a catch.
Okay.
Yeah, with the tie rod. The tie rod is done.
I was hoping I could just rotate the unit. Right there. Yep, that'll do it.
Hey! Ready? Go. Looks like Literal has some play in his passenger front wheel. Maybe some loose hardware on the knuckle. So he's got 3 minutes left. Minute 30.
Looks like when Kazuya initiated, him and Hobson made contact, and Hobson definitely did a big bunny hop, but I don't know if the wheel-to-wheel contact, which usually causes that, I don't know if it was the front or the rear, but there's marks on both, so they're just changing rear tires and changing the left front. So hopefully everything's okay and they can get back out there.
Hey, can you check up the sergeant? I initiated normally, and then Ben was coming hot. That was, I totally understand that's a racing accident, but they are saying the judges are saying careful. So I'm kind of lost, but only I need to do is just, do whatever we need for the second lap.
That's kind of been the moment the other day.
You're good. You're good.
But once I looked at you and you're splitting hairs, you see how immediately I was like, okay.
It matters to you guys.
It does.
We understand that.
Shared fault.
Shared fault.
Shared fault? Was that the most airtime you've ever had in this Mustang?
Yeah, probably so.
You look pretty good.
Thanks, dude. What happens when they dump the laundry on you?
They can check the rear air pressure, right?
Nope.
Hey, whoa! Don't whoa!
Hey.
Don't check it!
You can.
Oh.
Got to be on the ground, closed, driving away. So let's 5, 4, 3, 2. Castro's out, didn't make us 5. All right, we're running. Let's do this.
This is not our official though, it's given?
Yeah, this is a free 5. Both of you got them. She running warm or what?
It just warm after 2 back-to-backs.
Ah.
Keep the hood off?
It's up to you.
Hey, can I keep the hood off?
Yep. That'll help.
That doesn't count for touching, right?
No, that was humorous.
I'm gonna kill the entire guy if it's their fault again, I swear to God. First it's the valve stem.
That sounds like a great idea, because it wasn't my fault. It was the tire guy. I like that. Damn tire guy.
Man.
Great.
Got you, almost gave away all the secrets.
Yeah, I was gonna say, my script, if I had one, would say Odie moves on because my camera's on.